The fan production process begins at the very beginning, receiving and processing raw materials within the factory. Large quantities of plastic pellets are used as the primary material for the fan body and blades. Steel wire is also used to create the protective grille, and copper wire is used to construct the electric motor. All of these materials are still in their raw state and have not yet undergone any production process. Workers first conduct quality checks to ensure the materials are clean and undamaged. Afterward, the materials are separated by type and prepared for the next machine process. This process forms the basis for mass production of the red stand fans before they proceed to the next processing stage.
After the raw materials are prepared, the plastic pellets for the production of standing fans enter the drying stage. This process aims to remove moisture from the plastic before it is heated. Remaining moisture can cause defects in the mold, such as cracks or air bubbles. The plastic pellets are fed into an industrial drying machine that operates at high temperatures and hot airflow. This machine operates continuously in mass production. Workers monitor the temperature and drying time to ensure stability. Once this process is complete, the plastic pellets are completely dry and ready to enter the heating and melting stages of standing fan production.
After the plastic pellets are dried, the standing fan production process continues with the heating and melting stage. The dried plastic pellets are fed into an industrial heating machine at high temperatures until they transform into a thick liquid. This process is carried out continuously using an automated system to produce stable, high-quality molten plastic. The temperature and pressure inside the machine must be precisely controlled to avoid material damage. Workers monitor the control panel to ensure the process is running smoothly. The melted plastic is then piped to a molding machine to form the components of the standing fans in various colors for the next production stage. After the plastic is heated until it becomes liquid, the production process of the standing fan enters the main body molding stage. The molten plastic is flowed into an injection molding machine that has a special mold in the shape of the fan body. This machine works with high pressure to ensure the resulting shape is precise and consistent in mass production. After the molten plastic fills the mold, the cooling process is carried out in the machine until the material hardens and forms the standing fan body. After the mold is opened, the formed body is automatically removed and transferred to the conveyor. Workers then carry out an initial inspection to ensure there are no defects on the body surface before entering the next stage. After the body molding process is complete, the stand fan production process moves on to the propeller manufacturing stage. The propellers are made separately using a special injection molding machine with an aerodynamically shaped mold. Molten plastic is injected into the mold under high pressure to produce a precise and balanced propeller shape. This process is crucial because the balance of the propellers will affect the fan's performance when rotating. Once the plastic has hardened, the mold is opened and the propellers are automatically removed. The propellers are then cooled and inspected for quality before being transferred to a conveyor for the next assembly stage in the production of the red stand fans.
Yes, checking for balance now. It looks balanced, verified.
After the blades are finished, the stand fan production process continues with the creation of the protective grille. This grille is made from steel wire formed using an automatic bending machine. The steel wire is cut and shaped into a circle and a mesh pattern that serves as a protective shield for the blades during fan operation. After the forming process is complete, the grille is coated with black paint to prevent rust and increase durability. This process is carried out precisely to ensure the grille fits the fan body. After that, the grille is cooled and checked for quality before entering the assembly stage for mass production of stand fans. After the grille is finished, the stand fan production process continues with the creation of the electric motor, the main driving component. The motor is made from copper wire wound into a coil using an automatic winding machine. This winding process
Good fit.
requires great
Tighten it up.
precision because it
Perfect.
determines the strength and stability of the fan's rotation. Once the coil is formed, the motor components are assembled into a single unit and mounted on a small metal frame. The motor is then tested with an electric current to ensure it can rotate stably without excessive vibration. Motors that pass the test are then moved to the conveyor line to enter the assembly stage in the stand fan production. After all the main components are manufactured, the stand fan production process enters the initial assembly stage, which involves installing the motor into the body. The red molded fan body is moved to the assembly line using an automated conveyor. At this stage, the copper motor is inserted into the body with very precise positioning so that the motor shaft is exactly centered. This process is very important because it will determine the stability of the fan rotation during use. Workers use tools to ensure the motor is firmly installed and does not shift. After installation is complete, each unit is visually inspected to ensure the motor is correctly positioned before proceeding to the next stage in stand fan production in a modern factory. Once the motor is perfectly installed in the body, the stand fan production process continues with the propeller installation stage. The pre-molded propeller is mounted onto the motor shaft in a very precise position. This process is crucial because the balance of the propeller determines the smooth rotation and performance of the fan during operation. Workers use tools to ensure the propeller is firmly attached and does not wobble. After installation is complete, the propeller is manually rotated to ensure there is no vibration or imbalance. The unit with the propeller installed is then moved to a conveyor to proceed to the next stage of stand fan production. After the blades are securely installed, the stand fan production process continues with the installation of the protective grille. Pre-made black grills are installed on the front and rear of the fan to protect the blades as they rotate. This process is carried out in stages, starting with the rear grille as a support, followed by the front grille, which is secured using hooks or bolts. Workers ensure both grills are tightly installed and aligned to avoid interfering with the blade's rotation. After installation is complete, the unit is inspected again to ensure there are no loose parts before entering the testing phase of stand fan production.
Looks good. Clearances are right? All right, ready to move it. Verified.
The next batch of red and blue units is arriving at the testing stage, ready to proceed with quality checks. Let's begin the evaluation.
Once all components are perfectly installed, the stand fan production process moves on to the testing phase. At this stage, each fan unit is tested to ensure all functions are working properly. The fan is connected to a power source and run at various speeds. The purpose of this testing is to ensure the motor operates stably, the blades rotate evenly, and there is no excessive noise or vibration. Furthermore, control systems such as the speed knob are checked. Workers carefully inspect each unit to ensure quality standards are met before it moves to the packaging stage of stand fan production. After passing the testing phase and ensuring proper function, the stand fan production process enters the final stage, namely packaging. At this stage, each completed fan unit is first cleaned to ensure there is no dust or dirt adhering to it. After that, the fan is wrapped in protective plastic to prevent scratches during storage and shipping. The unit is then placed in a cardboard packaging that has been printed according to product standards. The packaging also includes supporting components such as cables and manuals. After the cardboard is closed and sealed, the products are neatly arranged on pallets ready for storage in the warehouse. This stage marks the end of the entire stand fan production process in the factory.